my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought any updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Tirupati for January 2022. So these are the important dates. The online application form started already from 20th of October 2021 and it will last on 10th of November 2021. They will take written test and interview on 20th November 2021, then announcement of results next day of written test and interview. Then orientation date is already decided from 20th of December to 23rd December 2021. So this is the application fee. For general EWS OBC non-creamy layer male candidate 100 rupees. For general EWS OBC non-creamy layer female candidate 50 rupees. SC, ST and PWD candidate 50 rupees. A candidate can apply to more than one research area. The maximum number of research area to which he can apply will be, or she can be applied will be 3. So this is an important update that you can apply in 3 departments. And these all are the documents you have to keep it with you during document verification, like passport size photo, no, this is the things required to during your online application. Passport size photo, signature, then 10th certificate, 12th diploma or equivalent certificate, qualifying UG degree, then mark sheet, PG degree certificate, mark sheet, community certificate, then get a scorecard, national level exams proof, then proof of employment or NOC or undertaking, then SOP or research proposal, if applicable, you have to provide. There are 2 category in which you can apply for PhD admission. First one, regular full-time scholar. Under regular registration, a scholar can be selected under institute, HTRA or second fellowship from CSIR, UGC or INSPIRE, and third project funding. In regular there are 3 types. First one, you can apply under institute assistantship or half-time research assistantship, I think this will be called. And second, if you have qualified UGC NET, CSIR NET or DST Spire fellowship, etc., then you can apply under external funding. Then third, project funding, in which if you are already working in any project under IIT Tirupati, then you can also apply in IIT Indore for PhD. Second, external research scholar under external registration program sponsored by and employed in industry or organization or national laboratory having R&D facility and recognition by DST or by IIT Tirupati. Under this type of registration program will normally carried out or all of his or her research work in the industry or organization or national laboratory employing the scholar under supervision of co-guide employed in same organization and a guide at IIT Tirupati. These all are the research area. Maybe during online application they will ask you to provide them 2 or 3 research areas. So you select your interested areas. You take a screenshot also. I will upload the link in description box from where you can download. PhD in engineering, the eligibility are, if you have master degree in engineering or technology or master degree in research, master degree by research in engineering or technology with good academic record, then you can apply. If you have MSc also, then you can apply, but the provided that you must have GATE score or UGC, CSIR, NET or NBHM or JST score. And if you have bachelor degree, then also you can apply. But for that you must have your CGPA 8 and 8 or more than 8, and they have not mentioned about the valid GATE score, is there any requirement or not, but maybe they will consider. So you keep this thing in your mind. This is the eligibility criteria for engineering for science. If you have MSc with GATE or CSIR, UGC NET, JRF or LS exam or NBS, NVHM or Inspire or just exams qualified, then also you can apply. Or if you have MEM Tech or MSY Research or 2-year MSc from IIT, entry through JAM base CGPA 8 or above than that, and above BS plus MS 5-year integrated from CFTI is also accepted. Means if you want to apply for PhD in science, then you must have master degree in science or with NET score, JEST score, or like other central exams which will be conducted for PhD. And if you have MEM Tech also, then you can apply for PhD in science, provided that and they also have given in notification that if you have MSc from IIT or entry through JAM base CGPA of 8 and 8 in 10, then you can apply, and there is no requirement of national level examination score. And if you have also done integrated 5 years program BS plus MS, then also you can apply. From CFTI is also accepted. Or means in this all three, if you have anyone, then you can apply. Or anyone, if you have bachelor degree in engineering or technology from IIT with exceptionally good academic record in a eligible discipline, will be considered for direct admission to PhD in science, provided he has BSc GPA of 8 in 10, and they can be offered HTRA if selected. PhD in Humanity and Social Sciences, in that you must have master degree with GATE score or UGC CSIR, NET or NBHM score. I will not tell about MS Research. Financial assistantship is as per Government of India norms. If you will provide financial assistance, then these things you keep in mind that you will have to work 8 hours per week for the institute to earn this assistantship. The work would normally involve assistantship in teaching or research and will be assigned by the institute. Renewal of assistantship every semester will be contingent on enrollment, satisfactory progress in research work, and good performance during the preceding semester in discharge of responsibility as teaching or research assistantship. Under project funding scheme are required to work in a sponsored area of research. So this is the financial assistantship. Selection procedure: they will first shortlist the candidate, then they will take written test or interview. This is decided by selection panel. Format for a statement of purpose they have given for chemical engineering, computer science, for every branch they have given. So these things you have to keep in mind. Original documents you have to keep you have to submit during verification. At the time of interview of written test, these all are the documents. You take a screenshot. This is the fee structure. You can take a screenshot also of this. For PhD they are taking total 46,350, and MS by research also this is 46,350. A statement of purpose for graduate studies. If you have done BE Tech, then you have to submit SOP in this format. These all are the documents you have to required, and you have to fill and take this during online selection. Online selection or offline, they will, I think they have mentioned they are taking online or offline. Written test or interview, and appropriate and for a specific cases which are not covered or made clear in the document. After careful examination, decision will be final. Still they have not decided. So during shortlisting they will tell you what are the procedures. So these all are the things I have already tell you. You must take a screenshot or download in information browser. I will upload the link in description box. Thank you. Have a nice day.